So, as a new grad, I had to work about 5 months on night shift, which was exceptionally difficult on my body and on my mind. But the one great thing that came out of night shift was that I met an amazing nurse who was the mentor nurse for our floor, and her name is Sara. Sara doesn't work at my hospital anymore. She moved to the East Coast, but she was really an amazing nurse, an amazing mentor for me at my hospital. And I just appreciate all her guidance, advice, and support. So she would help me when I was struggling with IVs. And when I got an IV in and I came out of the room like celebrating, she would celebrate with me. And and she would just help to give me advice on like time management and explain different procedures and policies. Really, I owe so much to her, and she just really helped me to learn so much during that time on night shift. So I want to give a shout out to Sara during this Nurses Week because she's amazing.